Today we're pouring slabs at a new batch plant on the Sunshine Coast. We've already started here with a number of slabs being poured. You can see the aggregate bins are all done, and the first lot of the hard stand has been down here now for 4 or 5 days. And we've finally got a break in the weather. We can start pouring slabs again. So these slabs were originally designed as 180mm thick with one layer of SL102 mesh, and we've replaced that with 8 kilos a cubic metre of SteelX 525. And as you can see, that means there's a whole lot less steel fixing required. The joints were just kept how the engineer had originally specified them, with a sheet of mesh at the bottom of the saw cut joint. We reduced the spacing slightly to about average of about 6 meters centers each way, and overall it means a lot cheaper. We worked out it's about $5 or $6 a square meter cheaper to do it with the SteelX, and on top of that, it's a lot faster. So we got this first pour today, and where the concrete pump is partially set up there to pour again tomorrow. So they'll make short work of these hard stands now with a few days of clear weather. So if you've got hard stand slabs, industrial, commercial projects to pour, and you'd like to save money and time while at the same time making the concrete stronger, get in contact with us. Visit us at steelxrebar.com.au. That's steelxrebar.com.au. Don't hesitate to send through your project to us, and we'll come up with a solution and some cost analysis and give you an idea of what the advantages can be with using SteelX over conventional reinforcing. My name is Ruben Ramsey, and we would love to support you in your next project.